Welcome to JH. I've been using the Grelife Evaporative air cooler for a few weeks now, and it's actually made my space feel like something other than a sauna. It's incredibly easy to set up, and the airflow is strong enough to cool a medium room without making you feel like you're standing in a wind tunnel. Because we all know there's nothing quite like the hurricane in the living room aesthetic to really set the mood. It uses water to create a refreshing breeze that feels much more natural than traditional fans, which usually just move the hot air from one corner to the other. It even adds a bit of moisture to the air, making those dry days actually bearable for those of us who prefer not to live in a literal desert. The unit is surprisingly quiet, so I can work or sleep without it sounding like a jet is taking off in the background. Finally, a gadget that doesn't demand a standing ovation just for doing its job. The controls are simple and intuitive, allowing you to adjust the fan speed or cooling level without needing a PhD in engineering. This thing is also impressively portable and lightweight, so I can drag it from room to room like a loyal, chilly companion. The water tank is a breeze to fill and clean, which is great because I'm pretty sure none of us need another high-maintenance relationship in our lives. It sports a modern design that fits right into the decor without hogging all the floor space. Overall, it's a practical, energy-efficient solution for surviving the summer heat without going bankrupt. It's a rare case of a product actually delivering on its promises, making the home feel inviting rather than just a place where you sweat in silence.